Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be learning the stock, how to apply stock to your um, stock to your job. Okay, so what basically stock is? Stock is a raw material from which you will create or you will make your um, required job. For example, in this case, I will need a rectangular slab. So how much big slab I have that I had to work on. So for this, go to stock manager, hit definition. Okay, now if you haven't applied your material, uh, go there and apply a material. For example, you can apply any material. For example, I'm applying here. Yeah, this is aluminum 661 T6. Okay, so this is my material. Now you can go or if you want to apply any material, you can go to there and apply any material. Okay, now there are different uh, types of stocks. For example, if you want a bounding box, which is by default selected, or a predefined bounding box, or something like this extruded sketch, or cylindrical, or if you want a steel file or a part file, if you want that. Okay, now coordinate system is original here, but we'll define another coordinate system for that. So sorry, first we need to define a coordinate system here. So edit definition, user defined. So what I will do, part bounding box vertex. If I select this, so these are vertices that my coordinate system will be selected according to that. Or if I do stock bounding box, so it will depend upon my stock. For example, if I selected this one um, right here and I choose this, then there is my coordinate system which is located. Or if I directly select this entity and I select this edge, so it will directly my origin will move there. But I'm gonna select part bounding, so it has automatically selected this the center, so it's good. And now the axis. So the axis actually depends upon your machine type, that in which machine you are working. So the tool, the axis depends upon your machine. If your machine has a tool which has a y axis in this direction, x in this, and z in this direction, so you can define your x axis, z axis, and y axis according to that machine that you have. Okay, you can change them by their positivity and negativity by from there. Okay, now this is our coordinate system. Now go to stock manager. This material is already selected, so in plus x direction, if I want any stock, I can increase in this direction, but I don't want in this direction, because I just want in this direction, because there is my pocket and there is my hole. So in positive y direction, for example, I want 10 millimeters, so I will first require this 10 millimeter here to remove from here. Okay, then there, I don't need here in a downward direction, because I don't want to remove any material from here. So my stock should be like this, that I don't need to remove any material from the back side, or from this side, or this, or any other side. I just want to remove my material from that one side. Okay, I think that's clear. Now this is my stock, and we'll work on this. Okay, we'll now work on this. We'll create we'll choose some define some tool first, and then we'll create a path, and then we'll post processor cores. Okay, so this whole function will be done here. So stay with us. I hope you'd like it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Please like and share with your friends.